Meme coins have been doing well compared to other crypto narratives such as AI, gaming, and deepin. We have seen an increase in the number of celebrity meme coins with Andrew Tate's RNT and Iggy Azalea's mother seeing tremendous growth in the past few months. However, we've also noticed the other side of the coin, with celebrities pulling out rags in the broad daylight. This leaves us wondering if we will see these coins continue to rally, or it is a short-lived trend which will end in tears. Numerous copycats continue to be launched daily, and many celebrities are set to join the bandwagon in the following months. Thousands of new coins are launching daily, especially on platforms like Solana, and that's just one blockchain. There are others like Ethereum, Base, and Arbitra.
Remarkable. There's a problem.
How then are you supposed to spot good coins among these thousands of copycats? How do you separate the real gems from the trash? Research shows that 99% of these coins are scams designed to rob you your hard-earned money. Yes, 99%. So, how can you avoid falling into these traps and protect your investments? This is where awareness comes into play. Many traders fall for these scams simply because they do not have the proper knowledge. And so, I have gone a step further to do some research, and I have found 4 amazing free tools that can help you filter out the trash and reduce your chances of getting scammed. So without wasting any time, let's look at these tools. Tool number 1 is RCheck.xyz. This is our website. You can find the link in the description, and so are the other tools. This website is super handy. You can scan a token contract address to check for red flags like unlocked liquidity pools, open mint authority, and suspicious token distribution among top holders. If the top holders own more than 20% of the supply, consider it a big red flag. Just copy the coin's contract address from Radium, paste it on ragcheck.xyz, and it will show you if the coin is good or it is probably a rag. Before we head over to our second tool, consider to push the like button, as this helps our small channel to reach many people and also motivates us to keep bringing you valuable content. Also, do not forget to subscribe and grow with us. The next tool is SoulScan Bot. This free Telegram bot lets you scan liquidity pools, mint authority, and top holders. It also checks if the token was airdropped before its launch and scans the token's social channels like Twitter, Telegram, and its website. Here is a tip. Always stay away from tokens without a website or those with airdrops, as their chances of dumping are high. To use SoulScan Bot, just paste the token's contract address in the message section and press enter. Then let the bot do the work for you. It will scan the contract address and provide you with the necessary information, and also show you if there are any precautions. Third in our list is BongBot. This is an automated trading bot that can really help you out. All you need to do is to set up your parameters, fund your wallet, enter the amount you want, hit the buy or sell button, and relax. BongBot will monitor your trades and update you on their progress. No more missing out on profits because of delays in connecting your wallet or fast-moving prices on Radium. This bot gives you a speed advantage, minimizes your slippage, and maximizes your profit. Just fund your bot, enter the contract address, and let it do the hard lifting. Another great option is Trojan Bot, which works similarly to BongBot, but also has a copy trading feature. Finally, for those trading on pump.fun or Radium, there is Forun. This tool filters out projects and executes trades for you. It cuts down on delays for manual transactions. Simply connect to a Solana wallet, fund your account with Solana, and start trading with Forun using your favorite strategy. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Also, let me know if you'd like an in-depth tutorial on any of the tools in the comment section.